University of Helsinki metro station, Helsinki. P9085, 867 and 283.
These are very classic.
Yeah.
I remember when I was like 7 years old or something like that, when I used this elevator last time.
Yeah.
I had actually, yeah, that was the last time.
Yeah.
Now it's the last ride.
Yeah.
Another one.
Yeah.
Too bad that you cannot see it there.
Yeah.
Why they put this in there? I have no idea.
Yeah.
I think there's some sand on the door.
Yeah.
Or something.
Yeah.
But yeah, these elevators work pretty well actually.
Yeah.
I think. So very needless modernization.
Yeah.
Or are these going to be completely replaced or just modernized?
I don't know.
Okay, but they're anyways needless.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is from 1995, so not even old.
Yeah. 15% and that's 200 kilograms. Don't ride this now because these are slow and
Yeah, very slow.
yeah.
Are we going to film another one?
Yeah.
Also? Okay, yes.
Yeah.
Hope it's good.
Yeah, fortunately.
But let's hope it's not going to
Yeah.
this one.
Expected by device by Kone.
Yes.
They're still there.
Yeah. Oh, the door is a bit open.
Yeah.
Actually, quite a bit. Still moves.
Yeah.
I mean, the elevator moves.
Yeah.
Because sometimes at, like at the armory shopping center, the door opened too much, not, and then it just stopped between the floors and then started again.
Yeah.
Which was quite strange, actually. Yeah, these elevators are as fast as the escalators, but if you walk on the escalators, then they are faster.
Yeah.
But if the elevator goes free fall, then it's the fastest one.
Yeah.
But that's not gonna happen because these are Kone elevators, not like Chinese cheap shit or something.
Yeah.
Here we are at the metro platform.
Yeah. P9085, 867, 282. 15% that's 200 kilograms.
Quite weird. It doesn't have a glass doors.
Yeah.
At least this window.
Yeah.
Oh, it shows we are going down actually.
Yeah.
And that one too.
Yeah.
think those lights are pretty cool.
Yeah.
Green and blue and yellow lights.
Yeah.
It's kind of retro, I think.
Yes.
This station is actually, is this a completely original station?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah, I think.
Yeah. But is this Örnäinen too completely original? Or actually there's renovation, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. It was before. Or Compteorcha.
But Rautatietari had, our central railway station had the water damage or something. Was it 2009?
Yeah.
So it was slightly renovated the elevators.
Yeah.
But se goes to Sörnäinen and Kaisaniemi.
Yeah. Spektaatpaikki miten paikka on. Okay. That's